So the average price for a property for a house like this in Toronto would be about 890,000 maybe right now at this point. And then you paid
440,000. These are all my projects by room: bedroom, upper bathroom, living room, front walkway area, kitchen. The people patched the tile over a leak, and we have to discover the leak that's coming through the other side of the wall. This area plus here is going to be 2,200.
This is a whole unit right here.
The previous owners were blowing all of the lint into the wall because they didn't take care of the pipes. So this is going to go out the door, hopefully today. We're going to do this.
Like that.
Love it. So this had tons of mold, water damage, just bad stuff everywhere, but now it's nothing. I should have listened closer and looked closer at the report, but I mean, I think it's a small price to pay for what the market is going up by.
Tell us how you're planning to split this property into the rental units.
You've arrived at your destination.
What's good, everybody? So today I am visiting my buddy Trevor here. He just bought his very first investment property. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna take a see what he's doing, and we're gonna go and help him with a couple of small renovation jobs. We're gonna do some electrical, we're gonna do some demolition, and we're gonna see how he's taking this entire project on his own while having a job. So if he can do it, everybody can do it. Anyways, let's start.
Hey,
What's up,
welcome.
man?
Hey, baby, I love you.
I love you too.
Just saying goodbye to my girlfriend, my beautiful girlfriend.
Hello.
Hey, welcome, Mark. Come on in.
Trevor's gonna now take us around. He's gonna give us an outline of what this property is, why he bought it, where he's at.
So this is a 1991 side split, 3-level, with a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a downstairs kitchenette thing.
Does the 4-bedroom include, are they all on the top floor?
Nope, total house.
Oh, total house. What's the square footage on this?
About 1,500, approximately.
That's it?
Yeah.
4 bedrooms, 1,500 square feet? It's gotta be more, it's gotta be more.
Yeah, I don't know, I did measure the rooms. But.
Okay, all right, take us around.
So this area is updated. The whole upstairs is updated. Living room, front door, front walkway area, kitchen. So I've been here about a month now, and
Big kitchen.
I've started renovating everything from plugs to baseboards, new blinds, hot lights, window shades, thermostats. I'm learning everything, absolutely everything.
So did you have any experience before you bought this property in terms of any renovations, any skills, or did you
No.
just YouTube everything?
Nothing. YouTube and curiosity and friends like you. And yeah, this is how I
What's this?
started breaking everything down. Come over here. Come over here. So this is the planning department. These are all my projects by room: bedroom, upper bathroom, mid bathroom, lower bathroom, electrical stuff, floor stuff, need to buy, who can help. Oh, where's Mark? Mark, you're second on there. Amazing.
I'm not highlighted,
My girlfriend is first.
but she's not helping. She's not even here in the country.
She's consulting me from the other country.
I see. All right. It's definitely a nice kitchen. Is this how it came?
Yeah, pretty much exactly.
Were
as it is.
there any renovations to the property before you took it over?
Yeah, new windows. Beautiful new windows.
So we're in Canada. We're just by Niagara Falls. The
Right.
market is a little lower than the Toronto market.
About half.
Okay, a little lower. So the average price for a property for a house like this in Toronto would be about 890,000 maybe right now at this point. And then you paid.
440,000.
And what did it start at?
479.
47. And how many days on the market was the property before you snagged it?
I think 12.
12 days. Okay, so did you work with an agent or did you find this on your own?
Yep. Work with my agent.
All right, so Jeanette, if you were in the Niagara area, I guess you got to go through Jeanette there. The electrical that you've done here already, did you hire a handyman or did you do this everything on your own?
No, this was here. I just cleaned everything up. Yeah, took all the pot lights out, inspected them. They're all rusted and molded, really bizarre.
What, molded pot lights?
Yeah, it was a silver finish on them all, and I took them all off, sanded them down, and then repainted them.
If you have any mold or asbestos in the property, you got to make sure you get the proper professionals to come in. Did you get somebody to come in and inspect it after?
Oh yeah, I had a home inspection, everything, the whole thing.
Okay.
Really well done. Do you want a cookie?
Thank you. Okay. So right here is the carport. Is there a garage? There's no garage, right? Oh, what is this here? Oh, this is nice and big. So we got like a little front courtyard, I suppose. That takes you into the backyard. Or, oh, nice. You got a separate entrance. Very nice, very nice. So Trevor bought this as an investment property, so he's going to be obviously renting it out. So what is the mortgage on this property here in Canada?
2,090.
How much down payment did you put on?
40,000.
1,000? So which is like, what is that? That's
10%.
10%. What's the interest rate?
3.1.
3.1%. What's a property tax around here?
4,000 on this house.
Okay, so now we are heading up. Sort of like a raised, it's like a raised bungalow, this, right?
Side split.
Side split, okay. Now this has been going through some renos here.
Major. New toilet, new walls.
Nice vanity. Like the, is this granite?
I don't know. But it's not connected. The people did a really bad job doing everything here. So we're fixing everything. New fan, new light, new edges.
Now is the fan gonna be one of those ones that plays music and has... Tell us the things that you've noticed here when you moved in before you started making all these changes.
Every day I'm noticing something new, or we're learning something new. Whether it's mold, whether it's air leaking, whether it's water leaking. This whole area was just horribly done by the last owner. There's just really bad grout lines everywhere. Look at how much patching we've had to do everywhere to cover up, to make a simple flat wall flat again. So this is just to fix up bad workmanship from bad owners before.
Is there anything that in retrospect you should have inspected that you didn't inspect on your own before you bought it?
No, everything was inspected. I should have listened closer and looked closer at the
report.
But I mean, I think it's a small price to pay for what the market is going up by.
Yeah. So what's the appreciation around here?
The past couple of years, it's been about 30,000 a year. 8%.
8% is good. 8%. If it's half the price of the GTA properties, then you probably see half the increase in appreciation. Yeah. So let's
three
keep
bedrooms.
going. 3 bedrooms here. That's a very spacious bedrooms. Nice new windows. This is the outside there. You got a very big front yard. A small fence, so I'd probably recommend Trevor getting some sort of a trellises. Yeah. And there's another little fence up front. He's got a 1/4 inch round. That's for the baseboards. Yeah. Did you know that?
Oh yeah, I'm aware now. I didn't know that 2 months ago.
I hate doing baseboards. Baseboards are just the worst.
Wow.
So props to anybody who can do baseboards. Okay,
I'm not excited to hear that.
Next, this is the other bedroom here. Are you replacing the floor? Because it doesn't seem like you're very careful here. It looks really poorly finished. This is what you said, right?
Yeah.
You could probably fix that. You have to take this off, but yeah, you could fix that.
Yeah.
Here I can see there's a little raised lift. Yeah.
It's a very cheap.
It's a cheap way of definitely a cheap way of doing it. Wow, what a massive closet! You could stick a bed in here.
Yeah, or a vampire. Yeah, the people were just so cheap here with everything.
Is there air conditioning in this property? Because I see fans.
There's central air.
There's central air, so that is air conditioning. Okay, let's go downstairs to the basement. I love basements, personally. Basements is where you can make the most amount of money at any property because a lot of people neglect basements. Nice, large space.
Super big.
Are these regular size ceilings or is it just me? No, they're about a foot shorter, I think. You definitely gotta change this up. You gotta watch my video that I just did about the fireplace.
Great.
You should make this entire wall, featured wall. What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm gonna take you through the process of creating a custom built-in entertainment wall with 2 bookcases and a built-in fireplace that is retrofitted with its own ducting system right down there. I can give you a nice little tip on how to turn that into nice spotlight. They actually make retrofits for this. So you actually screw in a thing in here, and then the other end is a spotlight. You get them on Amazon.
Yeah, that's what a friend was supposed to get for me, but
just order them on Amazon.
I've already paid for them, so.
You buy everything on Amazon. You don't buy through friends.
If they get supplier discounts.
There's no discounts like that.
Yeah, $13 a pot night.
That's expensive. I got 4 for like $35.
Oh, what?
So that's definitely not better. Oh, there's more. There's more.
Yeah, this is not the basement.
Oh, this is not the
I gotta
basement.
show you- We gotta look in the washroom here. So this is the second bathroom, and this was fully.
Wait, that's not the washroom? What is that?
No, it's just a little office space.
With a sink?
There's no sink in there. That's from here.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So this had tons of mold, water damage. Floor was just horrible color of tile and just bad stuff everywhere. But now it's nothing. Nothing.
Now it's nothing?
Yep.
Do you have pictures or videos before this?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put them in.
Yep. Leaking stuff. I replaced all these.
The pipes you replaced?
No, just the fittings because the
Oh.
toilet was dripping everywhere. That's probably what caused the water damage
And
around
there's a
here.
shower in here too.
It's still
Guess they
dripping.
did the shower. That's a nice shower. Well, at the bottom is really nice. I like this.
Not portable.
Well, listen. Any property that you just buy up front, that you get it for a good price, is bound to have renovations. So you got your 2 closets in there. You got your new washer dryer. Yes.
That are completely opened, cleaned, sanitized. Oh my gosh, I gotta send you pictures of this. So the wall, the previous owners were blowing all of the lint into the wall because they didn't take care of the pipes. The pipes were burst and split, and the whole wall was full of lint.
Wow.
All the way to this side. Let's see, you might be able to get it in. Oh,
It's still in there?
no, my contractor got it up pretty good. This whole space was just full of this rotten,
Well, the one good thing is that's like creating an insulation for free.
super dry.
All right. Now we got a little bar. All right. This is a little bar area.
Yep.
So tell us how you're planning to split this property into the rental units.
Yes.
So this would be part of the upstairs, or is this is it 3 floors?
this area is 1900.
So there's gonna be a door here.
This area plus here is going to be 2200. This area only is going to be drywalled here, so they have access to the laundry.
If you think you're gonna rent it as a one whole thing, that's great. But what if that doesn't happen? What if the situation changes? That you need to be ready for it, and the door is just a little small inconvenience for you as the owner to cover yourself in case they were to move out and you need to rent it to 2 different people, for example. You're creating a little hallway here, is what you said for the laundry, right?
Yeah.
I would extend this out, say to here.
Yep.
You eliminate this part here.
Yeah.
So from here to wherever 32 inches is, that's where the door should be. So now we're gonna go downstairs into the basement and see his cave. All right.
Living room.
Okay, it's big.
This is about,
Ceilings are a little, what are they, like just short of 8 feet?
my hands around 7 feet.
And then this looks a lot taller than this by at least another 3 inches. No lights here?
No, I had to cut them.
So this is a very large room. Very, very. I have another idea that I'll share with you after. And then that is another little area there. What's in here? This is a sub room.
Well, we're going to turn this into a big closet space.
Holy moly! This is a whole unit. Have you seen container houses? This is a whole unit right here. New York, you'd be charging $3,000 for this. No, but honestly, this is a big space. Okay, so this is the kitchen, yes?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Very big.
So this is going to go out the door, hopefully today. We're going to do this.
Okay, we're gonna rip this out right here.
And then we're going to remount the new kitchen.
Do you have the cabinets?
No, not we, but we in the future.
Oh, okay.
Shelving, fridge.
And the entire wall is essentially gonna be your kitchen.
Yeah, and this will be like an island right here.
You could put an island, like a proper island, put one of those exhaust fans up here,
Yeah.
and we just reroute it because you have drop ceilings. It's just a pipe.
Why an exhaust fan?
No, because you need to have an exhaust fan
For what?
for when you're cooking.
Yeah, we're using an induction burner.
Like I said, no Airbnb person is gonna be happy with an induction burner.
Why not? If it was built into the countertop, that's what they would use.
There's still gonna be smoke generated. You still need an exhaust fan.
Okay, well then we'll use the previous one.
It's okay. All right, so very large, and then you've got your furnace room in here, and then the door. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Is this house falling?
No, the wall-
I don't feel safe right now. All of
the
a
wall is
sudden.
falling.
All right, so this is the entrance. Hello, hello, hello.
Hey,
again.
welcome in
Thank
to
you.
your Airbnb.
I only have a budget of $4,000 a month.
4,000 a month. Wow,
Yeah.
that's good.
And then
You
you
work with that.
got your washroom in here.
Oh, this is what we're demoing today.
This
Get a
one?
good look at this, people, because this is gone.
This whole thing. This is your shower. What are you doing in here?
It's all coming out.
And
Because the
what's
people patched the tile over a leak, and we have to discover the leak that's coming through the other side of the wall. See these tiles? We peeled them off.
they put
There's
tile on top of tile?
There's a leak.
Okay, that's
somewhere
something I would not do.
Nice.
I mean, I'm saying ever,
Yeah.
but
But yeah, it's kind of stupid.
so they just covered the leak.
Yes.
This was done like probably within a week of somebody selling this house. All these quick repairs.
Yeah, maybe.
So now that we've taken a look of this entire property, we're gonna start on the work. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go and change the receptacle outlets upstairs. Then we're gonna go and take this out of here like that.
Love it.
Now we're gonna go in here. This entire wall's coming out?
This whole shower unit and the flooring.
And the toilet, I guess too.
No, I'll keep it there. It's the only one in the house.
That's work. Okay. And then we're gonna go and remove that entire wall like that. Well, like that. Like that! Oh! So if you guys have any questions or comments about this property, let me know in the comments below. Now this video may end right now. I'm not exactly sure, but if it does, make sure you share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the follow-up video where we're actually doing all these renovations. How long do you think it's gonna take to do this? Like an hour, right? An hour and a half?
2 hours. Let's...
And how much are you paying me?
Friendship dollars and commission on the YouTube video.
Can't ask. What?
What?